A line chart can be used for displaying data, normally in a progressive way over time. You could, for example, show the value of a commodity on the open market or the cost of an item over time. Drag a line chart onto the drawing area, position and size accordingly. Choose the field to report on. In this example, we will group by date and report on the average price per day. Preview the report to see how the chart is displayed. Report users can make use of the mouse over features to see more information for a point on the line chart. With the line chart, you may select specific colours for the line and axes. To do this, open the Style section in the Line Chart Properties. Choose a specific colour in the colour picker for the line and axis. Once again, you may preview the report to see the specific colours chosen for your line chart.